Again, go to settings gear and then click on import data. So you want to import data, and then in the section that says, what do you want to import? Navigate through the drop down. And then on the drop down, the third from the top should be your chart of accounts. Okay. And then you want to hit import. And then you're gonna upload a file, import data. So you want to hit upload. And this is the section where you will be prompted to browse through your file folder. Okay, so again, that's why I made sure that, or I asked you guys to download that chart of accounts and save it somewhere so that you can pull it up using the browse function. So, right, so you should have this browse function right now. I hit browse. I go to, downloads. Click open. So you should see this before you hit next. Now click on next. So it's mapping. Leave it as it is. So detail type is detail type, account type. That's actually reading the headings over here, right? So we have 4 main headings. Currency is not required, but all of these 4 should be there. So that's basically what it is. And we don't have account number because we didn't set up our chart of accounts with an account number.
That's the sneak peek of our US bookkeeping episode. Want the full episode? Don't miss the full learning experience. This is just a glimpse of what you'll learn in our US bookkeeping, communication skills, and US taxation courses. Register for free to access the complete session, or take your learning further by enrolling in the full program. As an enrolled student, you'll gain access to premium lessons, exclusive learning resources, career development opportunities, and our internship program at no additional cost. Whether you're a beginner, career shifter, or aspiring global professional, this program is designed to help you build the skills and confidence needed to succeed in the international job market. Click the link in the description to register or enroll today. Your journey to becoming a borderless accountant starts here. Be part of our growing community and never miss important updates, trainings, tips, and opportunities. Follow our TikTok page. Follow our Facebook page. Join our Facebook community. Connect through Telegram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you'll never miss our next training session. See you in the next video. Borderless accountants. Skills without borders. Careers without limits.